Hey, I'm Will with Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
A Promaster van, we're making 2 flip keys for. I'm going to go in and back up the immobilizer data to generate a dealer key. Key learning, read the emo data. Bingo. Need to save that. Alright, now we can make our dealer keys. I'm making 2 of. Okay, you do it by most recent. It's going to be the last one. Yes. Put the key in the key programmer. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we need to do 2 of these. So I'm going to do the second one. And process, make dealer key. Okay, okay, 1. And after we get done with this, we'll be able to program them to the van, not just program a blank key that's not been made a dealer key. Okay. Now, you need to pay attention here. It's gonna, sometimes it depends on the year. Sometimes it will tell you leave the key off while you're programming. So make sure and read that and do what it says. Key learning. You have to have all keys for the vehicle. If there was other keys that ran this car before you got here, you need to program them back in, or it is going to disable. Like I said, ignition must be off. We're going to turn the blinkers on, put the first key in. Okay, successfully learned. Take that one out. Second one in, leave it off. Would you like to program additional keys? Yes, it is in. Done. Okay. Would you like to program additional keys? I am done here, so no. All keys, and we are good to go. This is 2 flip keys. I'm also going to clone them a transponder key as a backup, and that's going to do it for this. It starts, stays running. Remote 1. Alright, we have a 2018 Promaster. We're going to be making a flip key. To do this, you have to read the immobilizer data, save it, and then create a dealer key with it. So we're going to run through that process. And when you do this vehicle, you have to have any other keys that were registered to it and you want to still work with you, because this process is going to disable any outstanding keys. Control unit. Immobilizer, this one's a BCM. I'm plugged into the van, it's right in front of me. I plugged in with the BCI from the KM100, so I didn't have to be in the van because it is freezing. Key learning, once you get in here, you're going to go to read immobilizer data, connected to Wi-Fi. That is what you're looking for. Hit OK. Save that. I saved the file name. I put the vehicle number in it. This is for the post office, and we do them quite a bit. And we have had trouble sometimes rereading the data. So if you have it, you can just start from there and make a new dealer key. 4135. Save it. All right. Come back out. Got my programmer plugged in. Make the dealer key. This is going to ask you to load the immobilizer data you just saved. Same thing. View recent. That just brings up the top one. As you can see, I have pages of these. Select that one. Yes, I am sure. Same data, password, everything. Chip, or the flip key I'm making, is in the programmer. This takes about a minute here, and then once you get done with this, I'll be getting back in the van and just simply learning it to the vehicle. Dealer key generation succeeded. We're gonna hop back in the actual van and be right back. Right, back in the van, as like I said, I have my the Bluetooth from the KM plugged in. I went around their GPS harness. Sometimes they can give you problems, and this one was corroded, so I didn't want to mess with it. Plugged it into that. All right, now we're gonna go to key learning. And pay attention to what it tells you. Depending on the year, it's going to tell you to leave the ignition off during the learning process. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Just make sure you read that step. This is a race in the program's new keys. Like I said, this is going to disable any keys that aren't here right now. Make sure you have all the keys, blah, blah, blah. Second warning, electronic code. We have that from reading the emo data, so that's going to pre-fill itself. Like I said, ignition off for the remainder of the procedure. Blinkers for the BCM. Key is not programmed, put it in. Successfully learned, so that key is good to go. Do you want to program additional keys? I'm going with no. I'm making one flip, and then I'm going to clone that onto a trans for a backup. So I do not want to program any additional keys. Make sure everything's good. They're good. 8 disabled keys. Like I said, this is for the post office. They got keys everywhere, but never where they need them. Starts and runs. Remote works. Oh, that's the back. And the back. Good to go.